Welcome to week 9, SD 609. So we're covering chapter 10 of the textbook, Game Theory. So it has a couple of branches. One of them is total conflict and total conflict as a linear program. And we can also look at decision theory, games against nature, and alternative method for determining pure strategy solutions, and alternative shortcut solution method, also partial conflict games. There's some very illustrative modeling examples at the end of the chapter. So decision theory versus game theory. So if it's one player game, then it's a decision theory. If it's two or more players, it lies in a game theory, the game theory branch. And total conflict versus partial conflict. And the pure strategy versus mixed strategies. And some definition regarding dominates or dominance principle and a Nash equilibrium. Some more definition. So here are the branches of game theory: total conflict versus partial conflict, and you have pure strategies, mixed strategies, and for partial conflict, it could with communication, without communication, or with arbitration. If we think about total conflict as a linear program, then it could be maximum A subject to pitcher's fast strategy. You have to look at the examples in the textbook, and then you would understand where are these come from, and then later we would explain how to solve this particular problem. And it happens that this particular problem's solution happened at x equal to 0.5 and a equal to 0.25. It's here. In the sensitivity analysis, if we change the strategy, what's going to happen? Yes, this is a algebra solution for the same problem. And from the pitcher's perspective, what's the best strategy? And here, that's a optimum solution, y equal to 0.25 and a equal to 0.25. Same thing, we need to run some sensitivity analysis on the strategy. Algebra solutions as well. And this is another way to look at this problem. So, and for different strategy, if the pitcher is fast and the batter is fast as well, this is a payoff with this probability, and so on and so forth. This is another example on the decision theory for the firm, whether for small firm and large firm, and whether the economy is good or not so good, and the corresponding payoff. Firm's decision as a linear program. Okay, optimal solution for the firm is here, x equal to 0.8 and y equal to 4. That's the program again. Okay, for the investment strategy example is on page 413. Very similar to the firm versus economy game. And some other important method is max-min method that's discussed in the textbook. Saddle points is an important concept there. Some more examples on the max-min method. Without communication for prisoner dilemma, one of the classic examples in game theory. Yes, please definitely read the textbook. Very important concepts here. Without communication, with communication, and the corresponding solution. And the analysis of strategic moves are on page 439. Many good examples on game theory. Yes, we are going to go over these in the live meeting again. Homework for the chapter. Thank you.